I'd like to now introduce Tanya Swetta, the co-founder and CEO of id8 Media Solutions, an integrated marketing communications firm that's headquartered in Mumbai but has an office in New York as well. Their expertise ranges from working with startups and Fortune 500 companies alike. They've worked with local and global brands across sectors. From an ecosystem point of view, what are the changes that can be brought about?
I think there's already a lot of change coming about now, which is really nice to see. I think it's kind of accelerated over the last maybe 5 years. Prior to that, it was still very, very, slow. I think, when I was thinking about this, I really feel like there are various factors. There are too many factors actually that need to be addressed. But just looking at a few of the factors, I think one of them is, fair pay. When we look at something like fair pay, this is also applicable to women in the workforce, but it also kind of applies across the board to women entrepreneurs, right? If we look at the disparity in terms of the pay that a female as per a male would receive in the same environment, that disparity needs to be bridged. When that happens, it automatically gives more confidence as well to the woman to say that, hey, you know what, this is my skill set, this is what I'm bringing to the table, and this is how I will get my remuneration, or I will get my reward for what I am doing. I think another thing, as I mentioned right now, is that over the last 5 years, I think the government of India is also making a lot of positive steps in the direction of being able to support women entrepreneurs. Like now we have the Women Entrepreneurship platform by Niti Aayog, which is really, really great news for women entrepreneurs, because that I think is definitely going to help. And again, I think going back to our roots as children, as girls who've been brought up in India, I think one of the most important things that I feel is missing even in the schooling system is financial literacy. Right. So I think that when you have that and you have that power of financial literacy that you're backed with as a woman, it really helps you make the right decisions in terms of how you want to accelerate your business, or whether you want to get into a business, and if you have an idea, what is that idea and how can it be translated into a financially sound business. So I think financial literacy is again a very, very important aspect. I also believe that, women supporting women. So mentorship and support groups by women for women, I think makes a big difference. I think now that time is coming and we are seeing more and more of those kind of platforms. So it really helps young entrepreneurs, have a mentor. Like I think when I started out, I didn't really have any mentor. I really didn't have anyone to go to say, hey, you know what, I'm making this business decision. I think it's the right direction because this is really what I feel that the market needs. But how should I, this is the way I want to go about it, but is this the right way? Do you think that I can do this better? So I think all of those aspects really come out through mentorship. So I think these are some of the aspects that I feel would be really helpful in this direction.